My name is Mark Welsh, and today I'm fortunate enough to have Julio Da Silva, who is Vice President of IT for Intrawest. Julio, thank you for joining us.
It's a pleasure being here. 15 years ago I came over from South Africa to Denver, and it's a great place. And I've been doing enterprise applications ever since, and that's about 16 years of business application implementations. This last move, I decided to really get my dream job, and that is to work for a ski company living in Colorado. Intrawest has 7 resorts around the United States and Canada, and we've also got a adventure heli-skiing location in Banff, Canada. We have some other businesses like timeshare and resorts in Hawaii. So it's all about the vacation adventure industry.
Fantastic. And you're primarily North America, correct?
Yes.
How many employees do you have?
It varies. So skiing is a very seasonal business. In the peak winter months, we balloon up to about 10,000. In the mud season, we're down sub 5,000, and in the summer months, we go back up to maybe about 7,000.
Got it. So Intrawest has been a J.D. Edwards customer for quite some time.
Yeah, they implemented J.D. Edwards in 1998.
Mm-hmm. And from the whole IT and business perspective, can you give us a little of your philosophy as far as, is it technical, is it business, is it both?
I've operated under some guiding principles I've developed over the years, and have led to a fair amount of success. And it's really about not being technology driven. It's all about the business, doing supporting business objectives and ensuring that your solutions help you out there. It's also about your systems having the quality and integrity that people need. If people don't trust your systems, you won't be in that business long supporting the business. It's also about speed to delivery. Here in the United States, every couple of months the business climate changes and the business objectives change. If an acquisition comes along, you got to adjust to it, and being able to bring them into the fold as quickly as possible to get those efficiencies. It's about reliability, that day in, day out your systems can be counted on to be working. It's about cost of ownership. If your costs keep on going up, that is not going to be in support of the business. We have to reduce our back-end costs and increase our investment with regards to improving our customer experience. Mm-hmm. And then the last but not least is our systems have to be easy to use. The ramp-up time for people to get to be comfortable with the systems is becoming less and less, and expectations is that our systems are intuitive.
You raise a great point, and if you wouldn't mind, maybe you could address the fact that J.D. Edwards has done quite a bit to make our user interface more efficient, more effective, more user-friendly, the new OneView reporting so that people can access intelligence and access reports quickly. Do you find that that's a big impact?
Everything we've shown to our users of the new system, they're pretty excited. Our previous system was very menu-driven, and it wasn't a web-based system, and going to 9.1 will give us a web-based system. The OneView reporting is another area that our users are very excited about, in that the old system was almost batch reporting. So our JDE environment is, wow, what is it, 2007, so just over 7 years is when we last had it, and things have changed dramatically since then. The querying ability and the ability for our users not to be reliant on IT resources is going to change with OneView reporting. So I think that's going to be one of the biggest bang for the buck that we're going to have as part of this upgrade.
Another way to reduce your total cost of ownership.
Yes, and improve, being data-driven. If to get to the data takes a while, then you'll find a lot of decisions aren't data-driven because people don't have the patience to wait days to accumulate that data and analyze it. They want to be able to ask a question, get the answer, and then make a decision on it. And I think we'll be making a lot more decisions that are fact-based, and those decisions will be better decisions than not being fact-based.
Have you done any analysis on J.D. Edwards versus other ERP systems that you've run in the past in your career?
No, I'm pretty new to the J.D. Edwards world. I spent many years in the SAP realm, and actually also was a PeopleSoft consultant a long time ago. And one thing I can say is that every user that's currently using J.D. Edwards really liked J.D. Edwards even in the 2007 version, and I would have had to have provided a compelling case to go a different direction. So based on where we were at as a company, it made a lot of sense to continue our investment with JDE.
Well, and we're glad you did it, because Intrawest is an exciting company, and we're very pleased to have the relationship that we have with you. Thank you very much for joining us.